Hi, I'm Mrs. Stevens, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about how to do ACT math problems because the ACT is coming up and it is important that you know what to look for in the math problems. If at all possible, it's important to bring a calculator to the ACT. If you don't have a calculator, please try to talk to your math teacher beforehand. In order to do well on the math ACT, I would highly recommend reading the question as quickly as you can, but also paying as close attention to the details as possible. So this is the first example that I found. A car averages 27 miles per gallon. If gas costs $4.04 per gallon, which of the following is the closest to how much the gas would cost for this car to travel 2,727 typical miles? So it's almost asking for you to estimate it, but you don't have to estimate it. They're giving you all the numbers, so I would just do the math and find the exact option. In this case, I would recommend using a calculator. I made a mistake when I was doing long division, so I'm showing you the new example so you can see what it really looks like. The first thing you're going to need to determine is how many gallons are needed. So I use long division. I don't know the new math, so bear with me. But basically, you have 2,727 miles. How many times does 27 go in there? So in order to figure that out, you need to do long division. So 27 goes into 27 one time. And you can see when you subtract that out, you get 0. So then 27 goes into the remainder 0 times, and then one more time to get to the last 27. I forgot the 0, which is what's tricky about it, so keep in mind I was not using a calculator, and you can always double check your answers by doing multiplication to double check to ensure that it makes sense. Now that we know that it's going to take 101 gallons in order to go that distance, we need to know how much it costs. So we know that it's $4.04 per gallon, and it's 101 gallons, so we need to do multiplication. You can see 101 times 4.04 equals $408.04, and that is one of the answer options. This is so much easier with a calculator, but you can also double check your division by trying multiplication. You can also use estimation to decide, okay, well, 11 gallons times 27 is way lower than 2727, right? So that's another way to check your scores. This took me almost 3 minutes to describe. On average, you will take 30 seconds or a minute to do each problem on the ACT. So you want to have a sense of urgency while you're working on these problems. I hope you found this helpful.